So guys, this is Kim, who has a Rubik's cube, and he's going to time himself so that he can finish doing it in around 2 minutes. You see, it is already ishaharibika like that, destroyed kabisa. Yes. So Kim, you are set. Yes. So we are currently at second 24. You'll start the minute you get to 30. Yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go. Thirty seconds gone. No pressure. Continue, you're doing well. 1 minute gone. We have 1 minute remaining. Henry, cheer on your brother, Bana. Guys, I tried doing this and I was totally unable, even after 10 minutes. This guy wants to do it in around 2 minutes. You have 20 seconds to go, son. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. Come on, cheer on, guys, cheer on. Make sure you subscribe. Kim, are you struggling? Are you done? You have finished. Can you guess how long you have taken?
3 minutes.
No, less.
2 minutes.
2 minutes and?
30 seconds.
You have taken 2 minutes, 30 seconds to make this thing totally finished. This guy is a genius. But next time you are going to do it in 2 minutes, okay? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Mariana.
Subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe, yeah?
And leave your comments.
And leave your comment, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.